Hi there, I'm Jeanette Lane and I'm here to share with you an exclusive, exciting brand new box kit by Hunkydory. So this is a 121 piece, 121, yes, I said that right, 121 piece card making kit, and everything is included inside for you to make some great projects. So there's instructions, there's stamps, there's dies, there's some exclusive card designs. So I can't wait for you to take a closer look with me. So let's get started. So this is everything that comes in the kit. We have the designer card collections. We have the A6 stamp set. We have this gorgeous tree embossing folder, also A6 size. And then we have a 14-in-1 garden theme die set. It is so cute. And then we have the 68-page Ideas magazine, which has 73 designs in it, card designs for all levels. So if you're a beginner or you're advanced, we have something for you. There are kinetic cards, there are off-the-page projects, there's masculine makes, and there are step-by-step instructions which are extremely helpful, especially if you aren't super confident about your crafting skills. You know, maybe you feel more like you're a beginner, and that's okay. There's something in there for you. So let's take a closer look at everything. So let's start off with the stamp set because it's so cute. So there are 37 designs, stamp images on this A6 stamp set. How great is that? So you can really make just a great variety of card designs with so many stamps to work with, with so many stamps to work with, sorry. And then we have this embossing folder, and you can stamp, there's some leaves on the stamp that you can add to your tree and make a great garden scene with that. And like I mentioned earlier, here is the 14-in-1 die set. Absolutely gorgeous. Now let's take a closer look at the exclusive designer card collections. So there's two collections in here, so 2-in-1, and you get some coordinating papers, some great cardstock, and also some foiled and die cut toppers. And these are great because you don't have to spend time cutting them out, fussy cutting them, and they're foiled, so it just gives your card just that fancy factor. And so let me just flip through this. We've got some great designs. So you can make cards for christenings, for Easter, also for Mother's Day, which already passed, but you know, you can always use that for next year. And these are just some of the great patterns. Again, we see that foil detail here and some great coordinating florals. And I am just loving this, some hearts. Again, there's so much in here. There's so many great designs in this card collection to pick from, and I know that you're gonna find something for that card that you wanna make. Or again, you can use the Ideas magazine that's included in your kit with all the instructions to make some great cards for all year round. I know this is spring themed, but you can definitely use this kit for all year round. So the Ideas magazine has over 73 amazing card designs with step-by-step instructions for you, but there's also a behind the sneaks peek at the Hunkydory's headquarters, which is really fun to see just behind the scenes of craft companies. It's just fascinating, all the talent that is there, so you can read all about that. And there's also a chance to win over 500 pounds worth of Hunkydory prizes. This exclusive Hunkydory box kit is a great value because you get the Ideas magazine, the gorgeous coordinating papers that are foiled and die cut, and also the stamps, the embossing folder, and the dies. Such a great value. So hopefully you can get your own copy. I'm Jeanette, and I will talk to you real soon. Have a great day. Bye.